Cracking knuckles, a symphony of snaps, pops, and clicks. But does it invite arthritis for a dance? Well, no. That's as true as elephants being afraid of mice. The culprit behind these pops: gas bubbles in the synovial fluid, not some arthritis-inviting demon. You see, your joints are like a fizzy drink. Shake them up, pop the lid, and voila! A sound show without the arthritis encore. It's like your hands are throwing a party and the gas bubbles are the confetti. And arthritis? It didn't even get an invite. So next time someone gives you the arthritis stare down for your knuckle symphony, just smile and crack on. Remember, it's not a health hazard, it's a hand party. And who doesn't love a good party?